Hey guys, it's Raj. Welcome to YouTube channel. In today's video, I have an amazing jQuery plugin tutorial that is pan zooming effect. You've seen most of the e-commerce website when we hover any of the product image, it shows the maximized version of that image. Or you have experience in the Google Maps. Zoom in to see some of the part of the map or zoom out, or when we drag some of the part of the map to see some of the places. All the feature we have implementing in today's video with the help of jQuery pan zooming library. So in this video we have building this amazing pan zooming effect. As you can see, we have one image and this buttons. So for zooming in we have this button effect, and for zooming out we have this zoom out buttons. So also we have this mouse event. So with the help of mouse scroll wheel we have zoom in particular part of the images, and if we want to reset this image with its original position we have this reset button. For that we use the jQuery panning and zooming plugin. This plugin is easy to set up and the size of plugin is the less than 10 KB. So let's go ahead and let's start with the today's tutorial. And for the real quick, all of the project files available to download, link is in description. To get started, let's set up the file structure. So as you can see, this is my main index.html page, and I have the three folders. The CSS folder that contains the styles of the page. These are the basic style. Next one, the image folder, the main image, and I have the JS folder that contains the main script. So initially it is blank now. So I can show this front end of this. As you can see, this is a basic web page. So I have main image that we need that we applying the main zooming effect. So as you can see, I have the main image that we applying the zoom effect, some navigation button that is zoom in, zoom out, and the main reset button. Before going to the main plugin page, we also need a jQuery. So visit to the jQuery.com and download the latest version 3.6. So from this page we have download, we have this option download compress. So this all the jQuery JavaScript code in the minified form. So control all for selecting all and copy this and go to your folder structure. At JS folder we need to put all the JS related files. So right click on that. So I'm using bracket editor. You can use editor with your choice. So right click on the JS folder or just paste this file inside the JS folder. So I'm going to create a new file, jQuery.js. Paste the copied jQuery code and Ctrl S to save. So we done this step. Just close this. Visit to the jQuery.net website. This is amazing website to find out many of the awesome free to use website plugins. So just search for PanZoom and select first link, panning and zooming any elements. Click on that. From here you can download this plugin. So download that. So I am already downloaded this plugin, and this is a zip file, so I need to uncompress it. So after that, so I have get this main folder, go inside. So we don't need all these files, we only need inside this dist folder, and we only need this minified form of PanZoom library. So PanZoom plugin have only 10 KB of file size. So copy that, go to your main source folder inside your JS folder, because this is a JS file, so we need to paste here. So PanZoom library is successfully pasted here. So go to your main index.html page. Just above the closing body tag, we need to embed some script. So first of all, we need to embed the jQuery library. You can embed jQuery library both two ways, with CDN. The first way to include jQuery library with CDN. So go to your browser and type jQuery CDN. So this code.jquery.com website provide you the CDN. So we have three main options: uncompressed, minified, slim, or slim minified. So we need to click minified. So I have this script, I need to copy that, and so this is a jQuery CDN. Or you can embed jQuery by the downloaded file that is inside our JS folder. So the source of this script is JS. Inside JS folder we have jQuery. Yes. So I'm going to use this CDN link. So I'm gonna comment this. The next step is to embed this PanZoom library. So again, write the script tag, the source. Inside JS folder you have panzoom.main.js. So again we need to create the main script file where we initialize this script. So again we need to embed after this panzoom script inside JS. So currently the script.js contain nothing, as you can see. Just write down this script inside the script.js file. As you can see, I also provided this some description of these lines. So just save it and again visit to your main page. You can go to your main folder, where main source code destination folder, and open this. So we have successfully implemented this pan zoom effect. So as you can see, we have this zoom in and zoom out event with the button click, zoom in and the zoom out. And after zoom in and zoom out, if with this image, after zoom in and zoom out, we can reset this with the main position. Also we have zoom in and zoom out feature with the help of mouse wheel, and also we can drag this image anywhere inside the screen. You can use this project for your shopping website project or many of other projects. So this jQuery plugin come under MIT license, so you can use for your personal website projects. These are finished web page. Hope you guys enjoy the integration this plugin into your website, and it's always have a great day, and I see you guys in the next one.